ravening wolf of hell. Hail, Loki! Hail, Fenris!
Hail, Fenris!
A Satanist is a person who is associated with or admires Satan. Furthermore, a Satanist shares ideological beliefs with a big amount of people. The Satanism started with the Church of Satan in 1966. This was the first time the word Satanism was heard and practiced globally. But actually there was an older cult founded in 1948 named Upright Cultus Satanas. This group was founded in Ohio by Herbert Arthur Sloan. After the 1960s, where the Satanism groups appeared, the groups were widely divided by two main directions, were theistic Satanism and atheistic Satanism. Theistic Satanism, also known as the traditional Satanism, believes that Satan is a supernatural force that individuals connect and talk to. Other characteristics in theistic Satanism are the rituals and ceremonies towards Satan, which include some kind of magic, is to worship the Satan. Atheistic Satanism, opposed to theistic Satanism, believes that Satan is a real entity, and in other words, the devil. The devil is in other religions seen as the enemy of God. The atheistic Satanism biggest group is the Church of Satan. The different kind of Satanism uses a sign for their cult. For example, the sigil of Baphomet is the official insignia of the Church of Satan.